For an asset manager attempting to tokenize and scale a strategy, traditional finance infrastructure is defined by high operational overhead and administrative friction. Lagoon provides an alternative through its non-custodial fund infrastructure protocol built on the ERC 7540 standard. ERC 7540 is an Ethereum-based technical standard that enables tokenized vaults to handle asynchronous deposits and redemptions, a necessity for handling real-world assets. The protocol uses programmable smart contracts to replace annual fund administration, automatically managing deposits, fees, and the calculation of net asset value, or NAV. NAV is a valuation of a fund's total assets minus its liabilities, used to determine the price of vault shares. This process results in a permissionless vault deployed across more than 18 different EVM chains. An EVM chain is a blockchain network compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, allowing for the execution of standardized smart contracts with no manual approvals and no minimum total value locked, or TVL. Eliminating this administrative burden allows managers to shift their focus and technical resources entirely back to the execution of their investment strategy. To initiate deployment, navigate to the Lagoon app dashboard and click Create Your Vault to enter the Vault Factory. First, select your target network from the drop-down menu of 18 supported EVM-compatible chains. Next, choose your strategy type. Lagoon's infrastructure is designed to accommodate everything from delta-neutral strategies for real-world assets to yield farming and cross-chain arbitrage. This flexibility allows you to deploy capital wherever the most efficient yields are currently active, without needing to rebuild your backend for each new chain. Institutional compliance requires strict segregation of duties to prevent single point-of-failure risks. Power is distributed across 3 roles. First, the Vault admin handles configuration and permissions, managing high-level parameters and investor allow lists. The second node represents the valuation manager, responsible for calculating portfolio value and proposing NAV updates on-chain. The curator then reviews and accepts those valuations, triggering the settlement of pending deposits and redemptions. To maintain security, these 3 roles should never be assigned to the same wallet address. Forcing this segregation of duties ensures that trust is enforced natively by the smart contract, rather than relying on a single individual. In the economics phase, you will input the specific fee structure for your vault, including management, performance, and entry or exit fees. You must then select the NAV calculation methodology that best fits your underlying asset class and reporting requirements. By toggling on the high watermark standard, you protect investor capital. A high watermark ensures performance fees are paid only on new profits, rather than on the recovery of previous losses. These economic rules are encoded directly into the smart contract once the vault is deployed. This level of on-chain transparency ensures that both the manager and the depositors are operating with the same information regarding the fund's costs. The final phase involves integrating security solutions like Safe Multisig, Zodiac, and Fortify to manage vault custody. Using multi-party computation, or MPC, ensures no single person holds a complete private key. This cryptographic protocol distributes a key across multiple participants, so no individual has full control over the vault's assets. For managers requiring regulatory compliance for their depositors, you can also toggle on the KYC and KYB gating features. Review your configuration, click Deploy, and confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. This initiates the deployment of your vault using Lagoon's audited smart contract framework. Because the protocol is permissionless, the vault becomes a live, globally accessible financial product immediately after the transaction is confirmed. Your audited, non-custodial vault is now fully active on-chain, and it is seamlessly integrated into the Lagoon Transparency Cockpit. The deployment establishes a standardized environment with role-based access control, encoded fee structures, and MPC-secured custody. Investors can now interact with the vault, where their deposits are automatically converted into ERC20 shares, representing their proportional ownership of the underlying assets. For those scaling their distribution, you can integrate the vault into your own native application using the Lagoon SDK. An SDK, or Software Development Kit, is a collection of libraries that simplify the process of connecting a website or app to on-chain data. These toolkits allow you to host the vault interface on your own domain, providing a fully white-labeled experience for your investors. Lagoon's ready-to-deploy infrastructure allows asset managers to focus exclusively on generating yield and scaling their brand.